What makes an immigrant inadmissible for a U.S. green card? Imagine starting your journey to live in the United States and suddenly hitting a roadblock. That roadblock could be a reason you are considered inadmissible. When applying for a green card or lawful permanent residence, certain issues can prevent approval. Understanding what makes an immigrant inadmissible helps you prepare and possibly find ways to overcome these hurdles. The main reasons are listed in U.S. immigration law under Section 212 of the Immigration and Nationality Act. One common reason is having a criminal record. Crimes involving dishonesty or harm, like theft, fraud, or assault, can make someone inadmissible. Drug-related offenses, such as possession or trafficking, are also serious issues. If someone has been convicted of serious crimes like murder or rape, that can block their green card application. Multiple criminal convictions can add to the problem, making it harder to qualify unless a waiver is granted. Another big factor is immigration violations. If someone has previously overstayed a visa, entered illegally, or lied on their immigration paperwork, they might be deemed inadmissible. Even if they are in the United States trying to adjust their status, they must prove they are allowed to stay. Misrepresenting facts or hiding information can lead to denial. Health issues also play a role. If an applicant has a contagious disease like tuberculosis or cannot prove they have received required vaccinations, they may be considered inadmissible. Serious mental or physical health conditions that threaten public safety or welfare can also be grounds for denial. Being a drug addict or abuser is another health-related concern. The public charge rule looks at whether an immigrant might relying on government assistance. If they are likely to depend on welfare or other aid, they could be inadmissible unless they can show they are financially self-sufficient. Security concerns are taken very seriously. If someone has ties to terrorist groups, has engaged in espionage, or has been involved in human trafficking or prostitution, they will be barred from getting a green card. These security-related issues are strict grounds for inadmissibility. There are also other reasons, like certain military service requirements or membership in totalitarian parties, which can disqualify an applicant. Sometimes, specific visa categories have residence requirements that must be met, or past involvement in activities that threaten U.S. safety. For immigrants from the Middle East or anywhere else, these rules can seem daunting. But many of these issues can be addressed with legal help. For example, some criminal or immigration violations might be waived if the applicant demonstrates rehabilitation or hardship to family members. It is wise to consult an experienced immigration attorney early in the process. They can help gather evidence of good character or show reasons why a waiver should be granted. Making sure all medical exams and vaccinations are up to date and properly documented is also important. Always be honest and thorough in your paperwork to avoid problems with misrepresentation. Remember, facing inadmissibility does not mean the end of your journey. Many people successfully navigate these challenges by understanding the rules and seeking the right support. Knowing what can make someone inadmissible helps you plan your steps carefully and move forward with confidence toward your goal of living in the United States.